When you
Me
turn up.
open the cake.
Guys, welcome back. It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable. So today guys, I have a video to show you guys with this lady take up her enough self run go buy Auntie Donna cake. I know she a complain, said the woman cake dry. Me no know, cause me not taste it, but me taste the one when me buy. The one when me buy, it tastes good. I buy a Java plum cake and it tastes good. But this a woman here said the cake nearly give her heart attack. I wonder which part of the cake nearly give her heart attack. But she say she almost get heart attack. And Auntie Donna must stick to building house and not baking because she can't bake. But each to their own. Everybody have their own opinion about Auntie Donna cake. My review, I did a review about Auntie Donna cake. And may I tell you, the cake tastes good. Not because me love her, but the cake tastes good. But guys, before me take you all over to the video, I want you to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to put on your post notification so you know each time good upload a video. So let's go over and watch the video and hear what the lady have to say about Auntie Donna cake.
Me buy the cake for $75. You understand what me I say? And Miss Donna, me sorry. The cake nearly killed me. It nearly killed me dead. Me nearly have a heart attack. Oh, if you do the people them so bad. No man. No man. Miss Donna, stick to building. Don't turn baker. Cause you need a recipe book and you can't cook. You need a recipe. No. No, sir. Let me tell you something. You see me? Look at my head. Me not done to my ear, you know. And me eat. You see when glutton? You see when you're glutton? I them thing I reach, you know. I glutton, me get glutton, you know. I say me go buy the woman cake, you know, cause, you know, me like what she do for the people, them, you see it. But, when me go, me say me eat my breakfast, and me eat my lunch, and me still take my wanga gut and go buy the woman cake. Cause of Christmas, you know. Me backside, the woman cake nearly give me heart attack, never choke me dead. Serious people. The cake jai till we can't die no more. No man. No. And when them cake I make from 19 how long? Almost from 19 how long them cake I make. I couldn't fresh cake this. No. No, Miss Donna. No man, you need Mr. P, but man, stick to building. Stick to building. Please, people, share. Cause me no want nobody dead. Me no want Miss Donna name go bad.
So guys, now that you hear what the lady have to say about Auntie Donna cake, she said it almost give her heart attack. But guys, tell me what you think down below. Just comment down below, tell me what you think. So this is my reaction of when I buy Auntie Donna Java plum cake. And the cake nice, the cake bad. Man I lie, the cake bad.